8 we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. Okay, as you can see, there is no much changes. If we refer to my last analysis, the ways moving is really corrective. Even we mentioned that we can expect the continuation similar to what we have. Okay, when we get this kind of the correction, mostly we can expect the price either to give us a sharp move or for the up or down. Mostly, that's why we need to know, be aware of this kind of the move. What I want to say is that we cannot confirm which direction can go. All right, either the drop or move up, but any of them can be sharp. And mostly we can, when we have this kind of the move, it can give us a, the price can drop. Okay, because even from here we can look for the internal flat in relative to this. But if there is a continuation with the breakout of the previous top, may change. Okay, almost near to the previous top. All right, and beside that, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence, and as well here. That means that still we can expect this one move a bit higher. That's even within this range, but any drop can be it can happen. All right, that's why if you want to look for the trade, we need to have a proper trade setup. Right now we don't have any trade setup. Okay, and in this case we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on higher time frame. The only thing is we want to see whether based on lower time frame whether we can get the correction for continuation or not. And if I move to forward chart, all right, based on forward chart, we thought maybe we get the proper correction here for continuation. That's why right now we're looking at this and we want to see whether this one can give us a trade setup for buy or not. But based on what we have, based on, on 1 hour chart, we just now we explained, because it doesn't give us really good trade setup. Now, oh no, the question is whether this one can turn to similar to any of this, and can we expect this one, the price give us one move down before we get the reversal or not? Right now we cannot confirm, but the only thing is based on 1 hour chart, we see the divergence. And for me, if I want to look for trade, because internally, even if you move to 15 minutes, we see what we have based on 15 minutes. We don't have any proper flat also here, but any small correction, it can give us one move up with the breakout of the previous top. We can expect to give us a correction. That means we can trade based on the lower time frame, but based on a 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. And unless this one give us a trade setup for buy, if we want to look for buy, and if the price drop with a sharp move, and if like this is where we can confirm the price is going to retest this low, we can look for sell. But right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. And as I mentioned, we can expect there is a full continuation as a corrective move. Okay, can we have entry above the stop? All right, maybe around 1.293. We can have entry above that in case the price sharply continue from here. But how about if the price tag and drop? Okay, we need to know about that possibility. All right, that's why having entry above this top is really risky, but we can consider if traders, they can manage the trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup for buy here, as I explained, and we just follow the chart. If I see any proper trade setup, I will share. Thanks.